Yo molweni namkelekile nonke kweziTshisa be-entertainment ndivuka ngendaba ezibuhlungu guys. Umpilo Mseleku uye washare ke kwi social media platform accounts zakhe intoba she got admitted esibhedlela. Ebechaza ke kwi-vlog le ndizoyifaka ngoku guys intoba uye waziva kubuhlungu emqolo, then ke wathi xa isiya ke esibhedlele she got admitted ogqirha so that bezokwenza i-test and really find out intoba what is the cause of uba umqolo wakhe ube buhlungu.
So I'm sick. I've been having chronic back pain for a few months now, and now I realized, well, this is me going to an x-ray, and I found out that my spine was curved due to muscle spasms, and we need to know why those muscle spasms are happening. So I'm leaving again now. What is even happening? Real. Now I'm back at the doctor. We're gonna observe everything. Boom. Nali boom. I was admitted. I was in the hospital. I was trying to check everything, if everything's okay, to investigate the cause. After that, I had to go and take an ultrasound to see and investigate what's happening in my body. Things were found. But I hate that for me. But it's not the end of the world, my babes. So yeah, I thought you only do ultrasounds when you're pregnant. That was so stupid of me. Do you see? Nah, ultrasound. That was good as well. And then my mommy bought me a plant. So this is me. Jaffa plant does. And then my sister and my mom also came through to come visit me. They look great as usual.
So as guys, I was watching this vlog, kuye kwathi qatha kum uTata uMusa Mseleku izolo Musi, uTata uMusa Mseleku and uMakhumalo noEnhle were sitting down bediscussa ke indaba ye-surname, ye-change of surname kaMpilo guys. Apho ke uTata uMusa Mseleku uye wamxelela intoba if kokwenu, if kulo mama wakho they are forcing us intoba masibhatalele ilobola, do you know na intoba awusoze uphinde ubeke unyawo lakho phayana kulo mama wakho, because that would have mean into yokubana ngowam noMakhumalo in totality, ungowalapha kwaMseleku, ungowam guys. There's so many debates ke about lento ke uTata uMusa Mseleku ayithethayo regarding ilobola yomntana, but on the other hand kukhona ke abamthethelelayo uTata uMusa Mseleku bathi urongo umama kaMpilo ngoba afune ilobola, because uMakhumalo noMseleku have gone above and beyond guys befundisa ke uMpilo, right? So they feel like that is equivalent to ilobola. She should not be asking for ilobola because it's not like ezinye izinto bezingekenziwa. So they feel like she is asking too much of them. So abanye ke bakwicala likaTata uMusa Mseleku. So back to now uEnhle being hospitalized guys. Njengoba ndibukele le vlog nje yini guys uTata uMseleku izolo, remember uLwandle uye wachayisa ke imoto kaMacele and uMseleku was really emotional esithi guys impilo zenu zisezandleni zami, whether you guys are living and whether you guys pass on, ndim ozotyholwa, kuzothiwa ndim ndithwele ngani. So automatically when I saw uba uEnhle usesibhedlele kuve kwathi qatha laa nto ibitsho ngutata uMusa Mseleku. So uEnhle guys uye watsho intoba guys, unfortunately they did not fix i-problem yam, basazofind out intoba what is the cause of le nto yenzekayo emqolweni wam, the curving of umqolo as well as muscle spasms guys. They are still going to find out. So speedy recovery to uMpilo. Siye sambona ke intoba nomangwabe was very supportive, uye wahambe wayombona nesister yakhe guys. Your thoughts must engage and on the next. Bye.